नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने पढ़ाई करो करो तैयारी जीत के यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म पर। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप लोग अच्छे होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे। दोस्तों, टुडे इज़ 4th December which is celebrated as Indian Navy Day. So on this day, let us salute all the heroes who brought us freedom and all the heroes who are protecting it. करता हूँ भारत माता से गुजारिश कि तेरी भक्ति के सिवा कोई बंदगी न मिले। हर जन्म में मिले हिंदुस्तान की पावन धरा, हर जन्म में मिले हिंदुस्तान की पावन धरा, या फिर कभी ज़िंदगी न मिले, या फिर कभी ज़िंदगी न मिले। तो आइए दोस्तों, शुरू करते हैं आज का 4th सेशन विच स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 4th December 1898. करियमनियक्कम Srinivasa Krishnan, a famous physicist, was born in Vatrap, Tamil Nadu. He worked with C.V. Raman, who was his mentor and became a co-discoverer of Raman scattering. C.V. Raman got the Nobel Prize in physics for it. He, along with other scientists of his time such as Shantilal Banerjee, B.C. Guha and Ashutosh Mukherjee, developed a precise experimental technique to measure the magnetic anisotropy of diamagnetic and paramagnetic crystals. Royal Society of London in 1933 published his work as Investigations of Magnecrystallic Actions. For measuring the magnetic susceptibility of small crystals, Krishnan Banerjee method is used, which is his work with Shantilal Banerjee. In 1940, he was elected as Fellow of the Royal Society. In 1942, he joined Allahabad University as professor and head of physics department. Government of India awarded him Padma Bhushan in 1954. He became the first director of National Physical Laboratory India on 4th January 1947. In 1958, he became the first recipient of the prestigious Bhatnagar Award. Next point, 4th December 1910. Ramaswamy Venkatraman, a freedom fighter, lawyer, politician and former president of India, was born on this day in Raja Madam village, Tanjore district, Tamil Nadu. He studied law and practiced in Madras High Court and Supreme Court. He was put in detention for 2 years by British government for his participation in Quit India movement. He was the member of Constituent Assembly that drafted Constitution. He was Minister of Finance from 14 January 1980 to 15 January 1982. He was Minister of Defence from 15 January 1982 to 2nd August 1984. He initiated India's missile program. He shifted APJ Abdul Kalam from space program to missile program and consolidated entire missile system, named it as Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. He was Minister of Home Affairs 22nd June 1982 to 2nd September 1982. He was the 7th Vice President of India from 31st August 1984 to 24th July 1987. He became the 8th President of India from 25th July 1987 to 25th July 1992. Shankaracharya of Kanchipuram conferred him the title Sat Seva Ratna. Next point, 4th December 1919. Indra Kumar Gujral, Indian politician and 12th Prime Minister of India, was born on this day. He was Ambassador of India to the Soviet Union. In 1975, he was Minister of Information and Broadcasting. He also served as Water Resource Minister. He was Minister of External Affairs from 5th December 1989 to 10th November 1990. From 1st June 1996 to 19th March 1998, he was Minister of Finance, and then he became the 12th Prime Minister of India from 21st April 1997 to 19th March 1998. Next point, 4th December 1971. Indian Navy under Operation Trident launched an attack on Karachi harbour and sank 4 Pakistani vessels including minesweeper and a destroyer PNS Khyber. About Operation Trident, it was an offensive operation launched by Indian Navy on Pakistan Naval Headquarters, which is in Karachi. It was conducted on the intervening night of December 4 and 5th. In Operation Trident, first time anti-ship missiles were used. India suffered no loss in this operation. In this operation, Indian Navy sank 4 Pakistani vessels, including a minesweeper PNS Muhafiz and a destroyer PNS Khyber. Around 500 Pakistani Navy personnel were killed in this operation. Indian attack consisted of 3 Vidyut class missile boats, INS Nipat, INS Nirghat and INS Veer, 2 Arnala class anti-submarine corvettes, INS Kiltan and INS Kachal, and a fleet tanker, INS Poshak. Indian Navy's 3 warships, INS Nipat, INS Nirghat and INS Veer, played very crucial role in this attack. This day, Indian Navy celebrates as Indian Navy Day to recognize Indian Navy's achievements and contributions to the nation. Next point, 4 December 1977, Ajit Balachandra Agarkar, known as Ajit Agarkar, former Indian cricketer, was born on this day in Mumbai, Maharashtra. His international cricketing career is from 1998 to 2007. He played his first test match on 7th October 1998 against Zimbabwe. His first ODI was on 1st April 1988 against Australia. His last test match was on 13 January 2006 against Pakistan, and his last ODI was against England on 30th August 2007. His first T20 international was against South Africa on 1st December 2006, and last T20 was against New Zealand on 16 September 2007. He is the third highest wicket taker in one-day internationals for India. He played in 1999 World Cup and 2007 World Cup. He made a record of making quickest 50 runs in just 21 balls and broke Dennis Lilly's record of fastest 50. Next point, 4 December 1979, Sunita Rani, an Indian athlete, was born on this day in Punjab. She won gold medal in 1500 meter and a bronze medal in 5000 meter in 2002 Asian Games. तो दोस्तों, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको आज का ये सेशन बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगा होगा। प्लीज़ यूट्यूब चैनल को, पढ़ाई करो कि यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें एंड शेयर करें। कल मिलते हैं ऐसे ही और इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस के साथ। पढ़ाई करो टीम की तरफ से। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। थैंक यू।